Hey guys, welcome back. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to talk about Invisalign for 2019. I started Invisalign last week, and I really just wanted to kind of give you guys an overview of what the new packaging looks like. And then basically a little bit about my treatment. I'm not going to really go too much into showing you what they look like and all that. There's a ton of videos on YouTube right now which can do that. But I really wanted to show you guys the updated packaging and what you now get in 2019 versus what you got before. So first thing to give you is this cool little bag, I guess, with the new Invisalign logo right on it. So we'll get rid of this. And this is the new Invisalign box, okay? Basically, what's inside here, it's a nice little magnetic lid, is two things. You get your tray, or your tray holder, and then you get this new cleaning crystal. Now, just to be clear, before you used to get two of these. You got a red one and a blue one. One was for keeping your current trays in when you took them in and out. When you take them in and out of your mouth, you would put them in, and then the other color was for when you were done with a specific tray, you would go ahead and put them away in the other case, just in case you ever needed to go back a tray or you lost one, you had your backup. Now they just give you one case. The new case is kind of cool. It's a rounded shape versus the clear blue or red that you used to see. And then it's got a little lid here, and it's magnetic. It's got this little magnet here, and it's got this rubberized texture right here, which is nice because when you take them in and out of your mouth, there's gross spit that, you know, basically gets all over everything. So this cleanable rubberized material is nice. So that's the case itself. It's pretty small to carry around, so it's not too bad. You have to remember it, which kind of sucks. Normally because it's next to my bed, and I have to remember. You know, I don't have a purse or anything that I would carry around to toss it in, so I have to remember to take this with me if I'm gonna leave or have lunch or something somewhere. So that's that. They have this box of cleaning crystals, which I haven't used yet. I just use regular toothpaste and a toothbrush, and then water. And I'm still on my first set of trays. Underneath this actual packaging, you'll see they give you all the pamphlets about Invisalign and how to care for them. So they do give you some instructions about that, and then you also have this pamphlet here. Now, I'll give you a little bit of more information about my current treatment. What they did was, at my appointment, I got this box, and then I got 5 sets of trays. So I go back in 10 weeks. For me, I'm doing Invisalign because I have a gap in the front of my teeth that I'd like to close. And so what they do is they give you 5 trays. So here's 4 of them. I have 1 in my mouth. And then you swap those out every 2 weeks. Now, I will say this: you can look at all the tips and tricks out there for Invisalign, but day 1 through 3 kind of sucks. It doesn't matter if you like pain or not. It's not, for me, it wasn't really painful. It was just a little soreness. So, it's not a big deal throughout the day. At least for me, it wasn't. The tough thing is just eating. Your teeth are sensitive and they're a little bit sore. So chewing for the first time is weird because you have attachments on your teeth, and it's just an overall weird feeling. Day 1 is really weird. I almost felt like, oh my god, I don't want to do this. But really, you do get used to it. As weird as day 1 is, you will get used to it. It's not a big deal. I sleep fine at night now. No issues with it. And like I said, I'm 1 week in. I got them last Monday. And I have no pain whatsoever. I can pop my trays in and out. There's no pain at all right now. It was uncomfortable the first few days pulling the trays in and off because they would get stuck on specific teeth when you're pulling them out of your mouth. So that kind of sucked. But you can take Tylenol. You do not want to take Advil because Advil has an anti-inflammatory, and you actually want to have some inflammation. It helps move the teeth. So Tylenol only. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll give you guys some tips. You kind of plan out your meals a little bit, because when you're on Invisalign, sure, you can take them on and off whenever you want. You're not restricted. You do have to wear them 22 hours a day. But you're going to be brushing your teeth, flossing, and for me, I use mouthwash. So every single time. which kind of sucks, but you get used to it. For me, the killer's coffee. I drink coffee all day, and there was an adjustment for me. So now I have to literally down, 2 or 3 coffees during my breakfast, and then I'm pretty much good. I drink water the rest of the day. So it's kind of been an adjustment. Sure, can I take them off and drink a cup of coffee? Yes, I could. But I normally drink my coffee in the morning. Previously, I would drink it all through the morning. So. Other than that, it hasn't been a big deal. They're kind of comfortable. There's no sharp edges on this set that I have, but I heard that if you do get any sharp edges, you just take a little emery board and you can file them down. But yeah, so far so good with the Invisalign. I do like it. Like I said, if you do it, this is what you're going to get for 2019. This is the 2019 packaging. Day one's going to be the weirdest day. You're going to first get them on in the office, and then, throughout the day, you're just going to keep playing with them in your mouth. You're just going to keep rubbing your tongue on it. It's a foreign object, so you're not used to it. You will get used to it, I promise. I know it kind of seems like a big deal day one, but honestly, I don't even notice it anymore. It's weird, though, talking to people, because I feel like people are looking at my Invisalign, but most people that I've talked to don't even notice it. You just feel it in your mouth, so it's kind of awkward to think that no one can see it. So, yeah, so far I'm happy. I'll give you guys other videos throughout progress. I was going to show my teeth today, but I've been taking comparison pictures, and I'll do a final video and kind of show my whole progress. I have 6 to 9 months of this. I have 18 total trays, so I'm definitely going to have a long period of time, and I just didn't want to have a ton of Invisalign videos, so I'm just going to do one full video showing all my progress photos. I think that'll be a little easier, to watch. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys what you get in the 2019 box. So definitely hit subscribe, guys. Trying to drop new videos each week. Been doing a couple the past 2 weeks each week. So definitely hit subscribe, like. Throw some comments in if you like my videos or you don't. Give me some pointers, whatever whatever you'd like. I'd love to hear from everybody. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Peace.